So I'm working on this double pane window. It's about 44 inches wide and about 63 inches tall. And it's been in there over 20 years, and you can see it has recently, the seal has failed, and now inside between the two pieces of glass, there's some contamination that's building up. And the only thing to really do is replace it. It's what I decided to do. I've already removed this quarter round is what holds it in. I've already removed that and freed the window up, so the window can come out now. And I've ordered a new glass to be made. And the new glass is actually going to be 1 inch thick. So I need to change the frame here. This glass is only 5/8 of an inch overall. It's 2 16th inch pieces of glass and then an 1/8. So the first thing I'm going to do is install this bottom sill piece, and it's got a cut that matches this angle here. I went ahead and measured and cut all these pieces and primed them, and now I'm just ready to install them. I'm going to go ahead and put some caulk in behind it. And I'm also going to caulk in front of it. Once I get everything nailed in. I'm using the Porter cable. It's got a finish nailer. It's got a 1 3/4 inch nail loaded in there with a very small head. And next I'm going to install the 2 verticals. These are slightly different lengths, so I have to figure out which one. That one must go there. Maybe not. Maybe the paint adds a little thickness there on the end, possible. I'm believing that's it right there. Need to get a hammer. And so what I have to do now is trim this inside edge with a knife to give it a little bit of a radius, because over the years this corner here has been caulked and painted several times, so it's not a hard square corner anymore, it's rounded. And so the easiest thing to do is just use a knife and take a little bit off the corner, like whittling sort of. I could set up my saw and run it through the saw, but I think by the time I did all that, I could be done with just this knife here. You just have to watch out if the knife begins to dig in too deep on the grain, you just reverse direction. But it's not too difficult. I don't need to take much off, just enough to let it go back into, so that both of these surfaces here can make good contact. That round edge inside there was preventing this piece of wood from making good contact. So I'm going to test it now. Trial fit here. Take a little off the bottom here. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to go ahead and caulk it in. Just run a bead along it here. And once I get them all nailed in, I'll go back and put caulk on the outside. So I'm cross nailing it. Which, if I ever have to remove it, I probably will regret that. Now I'll try the other one here. Probably gonna have to trim this one as well. Yep, I'm gonna cut a little off the bottom too. So I'll try to fit this one in. Same situation, I'm gonna need to trim the round edge on the back to get it to go in properly. Again, I'm just taking this hard corner off. All right, see how this fits. That looks good. I can just caulk that up. I've got some nails peeling out. I'm going to have to pull those out and fix that. But I'll continue on and do the top here. So I've got the frame now nailed in, and I'm going to go back and fill in all these nail holes. And I use a knife to make those smooth. Then I need to also do the inside nail holes, since they may be exposed, some of them. Beautiful day to be outside doing some outdoor activities like this. So now I'm going to caulk the perimeter, and that's what needs to, I want to let that dry like 24 hours before I try to paint it. Also finding some other random holes. I'm going ahead and patching those up. So now I'll just do the bottom here. So now I'll let that dry for 24 hours, and then I can prime and paint this, and it'll be ready for when the window gets here. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video, and good luck with your projects. Also, thanks for liking and subscribing. Have a good one.